Welcome to AutoNerveX. Is this the coolest comeback in car history? The 2026 Citroën 2CV is back, and it's turning heads. Its quirky styling really harks back to its heritage, but under the hood, this EV boasts 190 horsepower and a 280-mile range.
Welcome to AutoNerveX. Is this the coolest comeback in car history? The legendary Citroën 2CV is back, and the 2026 version is turning heads for all the right reasons. Let's rewind. The original 2CV was quirky, humble, and beloved across Europe. It was a symbol of simplicity, built for farmers, students, and families alike. But in 2026, it's making a bold, modern return, and it's electric. The new 2CV keeps that iconic bubble roof, round headlights, and minimalist charm, but now it's sculpted with aerodynamic curves, LED lighting, and retro-modern styling that makes it instantly recognizable, yet completely fresh. Under the hood, a compact electric motor with up to 190 horsepower and a range of around 280 miles. That's more than enough to zip through city streets and hit the highway with confidence. Plus, fast charging gives you 80% juice in just 30 minutes. Inside, it's pure genius. The cabin is a tribute to the original simplicity, but updated for modern comfort. You get recycled sustainable materials, a central touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and a folding soft-top roof that brings back those breezy drives of the past. But don't let the nostalgia fool you. This 2CV comes with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, automatic braking, and even a digital instrument cluster that feels premium but playful. Citroën didn't just bring back a car. They revived a cultural icon with electric soul and French flair. So, is this the coolest comeback in car history? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share AutoNerveX for more car legends reborn. Thanks for watching.